In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically blur any moving object in Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. In my case, I have this video right here, and let's say I want to blur the person while it's moving. So all you need to do is open Premiere and go to your project, and then go to your toolbar, where you will find the Object Mask tool. If you don't see it here, you might find another icon here, so long press the left click and you shall find the list of all the mask tools. So just click Object Mask Tool, and now click the object you want to select. Make sure to be in the first frame that object appears, and click the object. Premiere Pro will automatically detect that object, and now we just need to track it. So click this icon right here on the Effect Controls panel. You will find the mask, the tracker, and click this icon. So now Premiere Pro will begin tracking that mask through all the clip. After that, we should have the moving mask right here. So we are going to add the blur. So go to Effects right here, or if you can't see it, go to Window and then Effects. And we are going to search for Gaussian blur. So search for it, select the clip, and now we are going to drag the effect and drop it on the mask. So this way it will automatically apply the effect to that mask, so we can increase or decrease the blurriness by changing this value right here. And now if we play the video, we can see how the moving object will be blurred. So that's it. That's how you can blur a moving object in Premiere Pro. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.